Randy here with Retire with Options. I've had several people ask me where we find this probability of out of the money in the TOS platform. It's not there by default. So what you'll need to do is go to your layout here and click that, and then go to Customize, and then in this available items, just come down here till you find probability of out of the money, and then add that item to your current set, save it, click OK, and then you'll have that probability of out of the money column. Really just that simple, and that's all I've got for this video. Thank you.